Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe for stewed black eye. If you would like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to make this we're going to start off by putting up our beans to boil. You want to boil them in lightly salted water and you're going to boil them until they're very tender. So when you press them between your fingers they feel really nice and soft. Drain that and set it aside. Now in a separate pan, I'm adding in some oil on a medium heat. Next goes in some brown sugar and we're going to allow this to melt. You don't want it to start to bubble like when you're stewing, you just want it to melt. So once you get to this consistency where it starts melting, give it a mix and then we're going to add in our chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers. You can even add some hot peppers in here if you wanted to. Give that a mix, and I'm also going to go in with some tomatoes. Now if you guys wanted to omit the sugar from the beginning of this recipe, feel free to. You don't have to. You can just saute your vegetables. Add in your boiled black eye. In goes some uku or annatto powder, and I'm also going to season with a little bit of salt. We can always adjust salt at the end. I'm going to give this a good mix and allow it to fry up in here for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in water. You can add chicken stock if you're making a non-vegetarian version. Give that a mix. You want to make sure that the beans are nestled in there. You don't need a lot of water for this, but you just need some to create a nice sauce. So after about 10 minutes, this is what it would look like. The sauce is starting to thicken. The beans will soften further. Now at this point, once the beans are really soft, use the back of your spoon to smush down on some of the beans to thicken that sauce. And all you have to do now is taste and adjust your salt and then dish this out to be served. You can serve this with sada roti or fried bakes. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below and let me know if you like it. Thank you for requesting this recipe. And please remember to stay safe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.